Hello, everyone, and welcome to AZ Languages. This is a B2 English listening and shadowing practice lesson. You can use this video to improve your listening skills, comprehension, vocabulary, and pronunciation. As I speak, try to listen carefully. You can also repeat the sentences after me. Shadowing is a wonderful way to build speaking confidence and develop more natural English. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. Are you ready? Let's get started. Today, I'm going to talk about amusement parks. This is a fun topic because many people enjoy visiting amusement parks. They are popular all over the world. Children love them, teenagers love them, and many adults enjoy them too. There is something exciting about spending a day at an amusement park. The atmosphere is usually energetic and cheerful. People go there to have fun, spend time with family and friends, and enjoy exciting attractions. One of the great things about amusement parks is that they come in many different forms. Some parks are very large. Others are much smaller. Some focus on thrilling rides. Others focus on themes and entertainment. Because there are so many different types of amusement parks, most people can find one that suits their interests. Let's start by talking about one of the most famous amusement parks in the world. That park is Disney World. Disney World is known across the globe. Millions of people visit it every year. It has become one of the most recognizable tourist destinations anywhere. I love the feeling of excitement. I love the anticipation before a ride begins. And I love the adrenaline rush that comes from riding a giant roller coaster. If I had to choose my favorite amusement park, I would probably choose Six Flags Magic Mountain. Compared to Disney parks, Six Flags focuses much more on thrilling rides. It attracts people who enjoy excitement and adventure. Many visitors go there specifically for the roller coasters, and there are a lot of them. In fact, Six Flags is famous for having some of the most impressive roller coasters in the world. One ride that I will never forget is called Tatsu. I remember riding it not long after it first opened. The experience was unforgettable. At the time, it was considered one of the most impressive roller coasters anywhere. What made it special was how different it felt from traditional roller coasters.
Visitors can try to win prizes by demonstrating skill or luck. You have probably seen these types of games before. Maybe you throw a ball. Maybe you shoot at targets. Maybe you try to knock objects over. The prizes are often stuffed animals or other toys. Of course, many people believe that carnival games are difficult to win. Some even think they are designed to make winning nearly impossible. Whether that is true or not, I can tell you one thing. I am terrible at carnival games. No matter how hard I try, I rarely win. I've never been particularly skilled at throwing balls or hitting targets. If I needed to win a stuffed animal at a carnival, I would probably struggle. My chances of success would not be very high. Fortunately, I don't visit carnivals for the games. What I enjoy most is the atmosphere. There's something special about walking through a carnival. You hear music playing, you see colorful lights, you smell delicious food. People are laughing and having fun. The entire environment feels festive and energetic. That atmosphere is one of the main reasons I enjoy visiting. And speaking of food, carnival food is another major attraction. Many people visit fairs specifically to eat. You can find all kinds of treats. There are hot dogs, there are hamburgers, there are fried snacks, there are sweet desserts, there are foods that you rarely see anywhere else. Even people who are not interested in rides often enjoy exploring the food stands. For me, the food and atmosphere are often more enjoyable than the games or attractions themselves. I enjoy walking around. I enjoy observing people. I enjoy trying different foods, and I enjoy the overall experience. Amusement parks, theme parks, carnivals, and fairs all offer something a little different. Some focus on thrilling rides, some focus on imagination and storytelling, some focus on family-friendly entertainment, and some focus on food and community events. That variety is one reason amusement attractions remain so popular. There is truly something for everyone. Whether you love giant roller coasters, themed experiences, carnival games, or simply spending time with friends and family, you can usually find an amusement destination that matches your interests. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for listening and practicing English with me. Leave a comment and tell me about your favorite amusement park. Do you prefer Disney parks? Do you enjoy roller coaster parks like Six Flags? Or do you like local carnivals and fairs? I'd love to hear your answer. Thank you for joining me here on AZ Languages. Keep practicing your English every day. Take care, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.